How can automotive companies prepare to navigate an industry that is constantly on the move? From rapid advancements in technology to ever-changing regulations in the manufacturing sector, it's essential to pay attention to market discussions to avoid surprises that cause losses. Combining the design thinking dive methodology, artificial intelligence, and text analysis, Stefanini created a solution using social listening to gather information, creating relevant insight analyses, predicting, then preventing problems regarding calculations. This allows decision-making in the development of projects to be faster and more reliable, and reduces the manual processing of information, leading to higher productivity and profitability. Predicting the future of automotive regulations. You can imagine, with artificial intelligence, we did it.